February the 15th, 2025. Guys, it is 6:09 p.m. Central Time as I'm starting the video. I'm going to keep it short because this line of storms that we've been watching for a few days, guys, is now popping up with tornadoes. All of this is headed, especially this bottom tornado, right across the Memphis, Tennessee area. These are pulling up a little further north into Tennessee. Now, this area of Mississippi here is predicted to start at in about 2 hours up to midnight of severe weather coming in. More than likely what they're anticipating is this section right there. Now, Louisiana going into Arkansas, right into south central Arkansas, you're starting to see these severe thunderstorm warnings. Those could change into tornadoes. You got cold air on the backside of this, and it's going to be moving in, guys. Temperatures are going to be dropping in the southeast in the next few days pretty drastically, and that's why this could get very dangerous quickly. Now, we've been in and out of rain showers for the last couple of days. Today we had, it's kind of mixed, not a lot of rain, but we did get some sunshine, a little bit of drying out. And this is today here. Again, the high today was 77, the low tonight is 49. Right now it is 74 degrees outside. Feels really good. You can tell by the wind, though, that we're starting to see some of those storms. The reason I came here, though, is let's watch what happens just tomorrow, coming into Sunday. 52 after these storms come through, with tomorrow night below freezing, 29. Check that out. Now, guys, let's move up a few days to the 19th. Notice right there, here in central Mississippi, the low is 21, but the real feel will be 5. Winds northwest 14 miles an hour. Not much chance of precipitation at all at 0%. Just showing you what's coming. If you remember 3 weeks ago, we were looking ahead at the weather forecast, and it looked like most of February we were not going to see these freezing temperatures again. But that's how crazy things are changing. I think it has to do with the tilt of the planet and what we saw during the summer with that intertropical convergence zone. It moved then 152 miles north. And that's why you're starting to see the deserts bloom out, even over into Israel. Speaking of Israel, I've got a very good video I'm almost finished with. I don't know if I can get it done tonight. If not, it will be first thing in the morning. It's about Gaza, it's about Israel, and it's about the spiritual battles that we're seeing. But right now, guys, tornado warnings up. We're going to go back to that map just a moment, maybe zoom in and give you some information and ideas of exactly where it's at. But if you're in these areas or you have friends in those areas or family, you call them, check on them, and always you got to get to better shelter, check on your pets, things like that. Now, this is Memphis, Tennessee right there. This is Jackson, Tennessee. This is Jonesboro, Arkansas, Poplar Bluff here. This is Owensburg. You can see right where it's coming through in Memphis. This line is going to be the one that's the most dangerous because you've been lucky as far as everything skirting to the north. I don't think this one's going to do it. You'll be lucky if it does. But, guys, this is building up. These green areas are flash flood watches. And, again, you got the tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings in the yellow, and these can change very quickly. So you see where you're at. This is going to be moving in, according to the projections, Oxford, Tupelo, Winona, Columbus. And as it moves across again, down in our area, they're predicting from 8 to midnight. Let's take a very quick look at that prediction. Guys, you can go to weather.gov, G-O-V, and click on that area of the U.S. map, and it's going to bring up information for your area. Here's talking about our area, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Right now it is 6:16 p.m. Central Time, and you can see that by 9 p.m. we're going to be seeing some of that movement that was headed up to Memphis through this area, saying from 8 p.m. to midnight, moving over most of central Mississippi, then from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., getting over into the Laurel Meridian areas, Columbus, and that's going to be moving into Alabama. So, guys, again, friends or family, check on them. This is an enhanced warning. It says tornadoes likely, strong tornadoes possible, damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. And again, that's central Mississippi. Go to weather.gov, click on the map. It'll go right to where you're looking at. It give you this. It'll give you the satellite images also, and the radar images that you need. We're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe.